Okay, so something I really love about summertime is the time we get to be with kids, get to go do things, and we get to spend time with the water. So Memorial Day weekend right now is happening, and it's going to be a blast with the family. We are getting ready to go ahead, take the raft, take the big dog, and go to one of our favorite water holes because it's really fun to do things as a family. The raft is going to stick in the back. It fits, right, Jake? Sure.
Really? She's not my house.
Here we go.
They installed a staircase.
That is pretty cool. That's funny how they're like, you know what? The community does it.
Well, no, they want you to be here. They say the no trespassing signs are for insurance reasons.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
Yeah. Because people kept leaving broken bottles all around.
That's kind of cool, the dam that someone added.
Oh, that is neat. That is fun.
Oh, they made a dam.
Okay, sir, I'm coming. Wait, don't leave me.
So I don't really have an option.
Do you want to get on the board?
I might not want to bring the Crocs.
Jack, leave your Crocs up here, dude.
Okay.
There's what it was.
It didn't feel like it anymore.
Stand, creatures. If I stand, will you stand? Shoot, if I fall, will you fall? Emergency, Bella! Emergency! Oh!
I don't really want to.
Come on, Bella.
I'm scared of a dead crawdad.
No, I just don't like touching dead things.
I'm sorry!
Come up here, Bella. They're not bigger.
Jumping off the bridge.
Oh, that was cool. What about you, Jakey?
The rapids.
Rapid, Sarah.
The people there.
The people? What type of people did you see, or what do you mean?
The people are friendly there.